What's good out there, everyone? This is a message coming to you from the MANU'A Coalition, reaching out to all my youngins on the rock to hear this one loud and clear. We advise the youth of American Samoa to stay away from drugs and alcohol. And if you can't understand what we're trying to tell you, we're gonna get at you like this. Peep game. Life is full of endless problems we face and full of evil temptations. How do you manage to pass the trials and tribulations? Some situations make you lose all the patience. You disappear from the face of the earth and take a vacation. Most people fear, so then they always depend. They keep on running from their problems cause they don't understand. Let me explain what it takes to maintain, endure the pain. So simple and plain, there's always sunshine after the rain. Keep your head up high and always push yourself to the limit. Ain't got no time for half-steppers or quitters, you know the business. Time to finish what you started in this game called life. Don't ever let somebody try and cut you down like a knife. And if you fall out of the game, don't even stop for a minute. Just dust it off and pick yourself up, get right back in it. Sky's the limit, take control of your life and destiny. It's time to flaunt your true colors for the world to see. Go get it.
Life's too hard for living, and you're feeling like you're struggling. Push a little more, push a little more. When you're feeling like you can't win, keep your head high and never give in. Don't stop till you reach the top and push a little more.
Somebody say, everybody say, all my brothers say, all my sisters say, everybody say it.
Yeah, blissful day, happy day. Every day we gotta be praising, gotta be stronger than ever. Be living no matter the struggle or lot. Lift your head up high, sing a lullaby. Try to be having a confidence and be persistent. I'm doing what you've been doing, the big getting that go a lot. Better it has been than it never was. Better what never was than it never try to be. Yeah, they give me praise.
64 areas, the lemon won't bury ya. Put your mind to it, living life is not a stranger. Pick up yourself from where you left off. This new improve you, faith and hope will never stop.
When you're feeling stressed, don't walk away. Overcome the situation that's coming your way. Keep your head up high or conversate with a friend. Close your eyes and focus on a brand new day.
When life's too hard for living, and you're feeling like you're struggling, push a little more, push a little more. When you're feeling like you can't win, keep your head high and never give in. Don't stop till you reach the top and push a little more.
Somebody say, everybody say, I'm also saying, the youngins say, everybody say it.
When the troubles of life come direct to your path, shine the light into the darkness to split it in half. Every day we struggle or we be getting into trouble. Look up into the heavens cause there's nothing he can't handle. When you're feeling stressed, down and depressed, set your mind on good times, it'll bring you happiness. Haters will be hating, clowning and laughing, but if you dream big, let's believe it's gon' happen. The situations you face, man, they may occur daily to put you on a low mode or even drive you crazy. You've been through it before, you know what to do. It's a similar problem, another deja vu.
When life's too hard for living, and you're feeling like you're struggling, push a little more, push a little more. When you're feeling like you can't win, keep your head high and never give in. Don't stop till you reach the top and push a little more.
Somebody say it, everybody say it. All my people say it, come on say it, everybody say it.